How to log in to Network Funding Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Network Funding Mortgage Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now here you'll find two login options, loan application login and make a payment. Click on the option of make a payment. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login. With that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of register and go through the registration process. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into a Network Funding Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.